How do I make money through land banking? One of the questions I get asked, almost every day. My name is Godin Okoyomo. I'm a real estate consultant, and I'm here to tell you about how you can make money through land banking. You see, the terms land banking means that buying property, a piece of land, and allow it to appreciate over a period of time. All right. So if you want to involve yourself into land banking, you must be thinking long term. All right. You're not looking for a property where you can buy on January and sell it by February. You're looking for a property that you want to buy and probably allow it to appreciate in value over a period of time. Probably sometimes 6 months is fine, 1 year, 2, 3 years and above. Okay, and the more time you wait, the more money and the more appreciation your property get, the more value it acquires. All right, so this is one of the business model that some investors are using. Okay, and you see some people, they don't care where the property may be situated. They don't care how far it is, because they are not buying with the mindset that I'm going to build my own house and live there. Okay, those that are doing land banking, probably they don't always think of, probably they want to live in that particular land. They have investors mindset. You need to have cash flow mindset. Okay, you're not going to buy that property because you want to move in your family there. No. All right, you buy that property because you want it to appreciate in value, for cash flow, for you to to flip over into the market, something you want to resell. Okay, and few people also still buy and build in and stay, but majority buy this property and for the purpose of reselling in the future. And this is one of the ways you buy property. You make money in land banking, and I'll tell you how it works. Okay, number one thing you should be looking at if you want to involve in land banking is the area it is situated. Okay, this area means the area that it is being found will determine how far the property will appreciate in value. Okay, number one, population. Okay, if you want to involve in land banking business, you need to take the population of that environment into consideration. Okay, are people living there? Okay, or what is the project that is coming in the nearest future in that locality, in that environment? Okay, and this is one of the things you should also consider. The project, what are the things that have been marked out, that okay, probably in the next few years we come into this, probably road, companies, industries, investors, are they coming down to this area? This is one of the things you need to consider, if you want to go into land banking. And it's one of the biggest and oldest form of land investment people are doing. Even the rich people are still involved right now. You see a lot of property are in Lekki, owned by people, but not because they want to live there, but because it's for business. They buy this property and allow it to stay over time. Now you want to be very careful if you want to do land banking. Why? Because it's not every property you have that you hold for a long time. It depends on the person who sell that property to you. All right, some people will buy. I've seen someone call me and say, Gordon, the property I bought so place, now they are telling me that they have sold it out to somebody else, and they will give me another property, they'll give me another location, things like that. I don't like such story. Okay, that's why me, for one, I verify my land, my property, before I come on here to show it to you. Okay, because I want my investors, my clients, to be happy, whether they're in Nigeria or in diaspora. If this place is allocated for you, so shall it be till kingdom come. All right, except if you deem it fit that I want to resell it. No, we are not changing your location or your land to give you another one. A lot of people are facing such kind of challenges. See, if you did not buy from the right place, these are the things you will likely face. You won't buy property from Monile today and expect them to keep that property for you for 5 good years, and you're not doing anything on it. They will just resell it, for somebody that will bring more money, and they will refund your money, or they will give you another place, another location. All right, so you want to consider where you are buying this property. That is why I'm bringing this one to you, that if you want to do land banking, all right, I'm the number one person to go to, because I have this property that will give you peace of mind. Everything I bring here is legit. and they are verified. No government litigation. All right. So you want to buy this property with me and have peace of mind. Okay. Nobody chasing you. Nobody telling you that your land has been taken or government is chasing us or things like that. Our documents are genuine and verified. Okay. So land banking is a system model where people buy and allow you to appreciate, and it is one of the things that people use to create a transgenerational wealth for their family. All right. Some people bought their land, over 30 years ago, and today go and check, like Lekki Peninsula wasn't Lekki of today. Well, some property there were sold for 1 million, then they were saying property is a place of, and Lekki is a place of water. But today, go and check a plot of land in Lekki Peninsula, Lekki Phase 1. It's over hundreds of millions, okay, or in Naira. So you want to use the opportunity right now to ask me a question that Godwin, I want to start this property investment. I would like to have a property. I would like to build a land. I would like to buy more. I have best. Let me know your budget. I have best deal for you. All right. I want to make this video short. And I hope this content is useful for you. If you are watching me for the first time, please like this video and let YouTube algorithm pick it up and share it to more people, and subscribe to my channel. Let's take it to like 100 subscribers in this year. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. I'd like to hear from you. So let's talk about the next deal. Thank you.